First, you need to unplug the TV and let it sit for at least 15 minutes to drain the supply capacitors before working on the TV. Undo the screws as shown. If you do not feel comfortable with this fix, please do not open your TV, as this is potentially fatal. Dangerous voltages? Problem solved. Unplug and unscrew the power supply board. In our case, we narrowed the fault down to a dry joint on the power MOSFETs of the power supply, as shown here. After checking various common faults including blown capacitors, a blown control board, or loose signal cables. This is simply a case of resoldering the joints. Replacements may be required, however during our testing, our power MOSFETs appeared to function correctly. Ensure that you do not short any other tracks in the circuit board. The TV can then be reassembled. Be sure to double check everything before powering up, ensuring that the device is earthed.